Let's try some more Pakistani snacks. Knorr noodles. So I'm assuming a lot of countries have their own version of instant noodles. So this is Knorr Chat Pata. It's basically a chili instant noodle packet. It just smells like garam masala. It's a bit citrusy. It's almost like I just squeezed lemon juice, but there's no lemon. It's a bit refreshing. That's interesting. I thought it would be really heavy in spice, just raw powder, because that's what the spice mix was in the packet. It was just raw seasoning. So it's a bit tangy, it's a bit spicy. I'm giving this maybe an 8.4 out of 10. It's pretty good. Katamita mix. And so this is basically our version of a trail mix. And I know in Urdu, mita means sweet, but khatta, I thought that was either salty, sour, or bitter. So we got some cashews, some lentils, with these little dried dough ball sticks. It's more so sweet and salty. I don't taste too much sourness, it's not really bitter. So I'm assuming khatta means salty in this context. Oh, and we got some raisins in here too. I'm giving this 7.6 out of 10. Non-Catai. So these are basically shortbread biscuits. Weird packaging. I don't know why this looks like something out of NASA. Crap, and there's more packaging on the inside too. There we go. So these biscuits are super crumbly. It's very light, a bit sweet, almost sandy. I taste a lot of cardamom, which is nice. So I think this would go very well with chai. I can't eat this on its own because I think it may just dry up my mouth. I'm giving this a 7.9 out of 10. Revri. So this is basically our version of a brittle. It's made with sesame seeds, sugar, and gevra, which is basically the essential oil from screw pine. Immediate taste of gevra, and then you taste the sesame seeds. It's a bit chewy. It's not really that crunchy like a typical brittle. It's more so an initial crunch, and then after that it just gets chewy. I like this. I'm giving this a 8.2 out of 10.